Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're doing the unboxing of what I believe is the Mysterious Mansion and Dreamcatcher Mind photo book merchandise package things. So I ended up getting two boxes based on the amount that I bought, I believe. I got this small medium box, then I got this bigger box. Hopefully there's a Mysterious Mansion and the DC Mind set on here so I can just do this box, because I don't want to open both boxes based on the sizes. So yeah, and I lost my box cutter. I am not very good at this, am I? I'm gonna have to find... Oh, found it. Okay, cool. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open this. There you go. Alright, you can kind of see what's in here. I'm gonna see if I can fix... There we go. Get all up in there. Now I have to get up. Alright, you can kind of see everything that's in here. Alright, so first off, we have these, which we'll have to open. I guess I got... Oh, there's two sets. Okay, cool. There's two different ones. So we're gonna put this box to the side a little bit, and we are going to open these, just so you can show you what is in here, what they look like, and everything. If I can figure out. Now, I have seen a lot of reports that this stuff gets damaged, or they have received them damaged. So far, aside from the hole on the big box, the boxes themselves don't see damaged. But we are just gonna have to hope for the best. So we're just gonna go ahead and open this poster. Oh, that is a big poster. That is a big poster. I was gonna see, hopefully it would fit all of it. There you go. There. You can kind of see the entire thing right there. Looks a little weird because of the folds and stuff. But yeah, there you go. Alright, I'm gonna put this away so I can keep going with the rest of it. Okay, so the next one is this one. Looks smaller, but you never know. It could be quite large. There you go. Alright, it's a big poster. They're both big posters. Yada. There. Again, folds kind of make it look a little weird, but there you go. But that is essentially it. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm going to put this away so I can go with the rest of it, because I don't know how big this stuff is going to be. Alright, so straight out of the box, this stuff seems folded, and the bubble wrap's kind of messed up a little bit. Like this just barely has anything left, so that's unfortunate. Put that to the side. We have... It's only Mysterious Mansion. So I'm going to have to open the big one. Alright, we're going to take one Mysterious Mansion out. There we go. Okay. Boom. lower this, and then have me sit back down because that is an uncomfortable position. Okay. So there you go. Mysterious Mansion is first, apparently. Shrink wrap. You can see the back right there. Alright, so we're gonna have to open it. If I can even open it. There we go. Okay, cool. Get this out. Oh! That fell. Almost, actually. Okay. There we go. Okay, so... ta-tan. You can see a little better now, hopefully. Oh. Alright. Ta-da! I probably should have deleted the old videos out of my phone because my battery's not gonna last. Or my space. Anyway, so we have this. It's kind of got a little weight to it. Oh, it's a little label. We're gonna save that for a little later because this seems to be a photo book. Because I think that's the main thing about this. It's supposed to be like a photo book. I think you can still buy these. I'm not even sure. Or I think it might have just ended recently. But there you go. I'm going to give you a quick glance, obviously, because doing both sets and every single page one at a time is going to take an eternity. And we're already at 6 minutes. So hopefully you got one of your own, so you can marvel at all these photos. All right, that is pushing my thing. All right, so now we're gonna open this, which has some width to it, some little weight. I think you get like photo cards and stuff. I think maybe, perhaps, could be. There you go. Ta-da! So we got these, we got this, like a keychain type of thing. I'm gonna leave it in here, but it looks like a keychain. Ooh, we have a set of Polaroids. Very nice. We're gonna be taking those out in a minute. We have film strips. Well, kinda like film strips. Okay, they are film strips. Okay. They fall down. I guess that's why they were on this thing, so you can actually see them. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. Okay, so we're gonna take out these Polaroids. Although they're not real Polaroids, I don't think. I think they're just like cardboard Polaroids. Oh no, I think they might be real. They are signed, but you know. We have Guyon right there. Dami. Yuhyun. Handong. Shion, Suwa, and you. And the back is just that. Okay. So next is this. Whatever this is. These are all becoming increasingly difficult to open. Oh, it's an accordion type thing. Okay. So you open like this. So I'm just gonna pan through it. There you go. And the back is, just in case you want to read it, if you can. Very good. Okay, so this just seems to be stickers, so you can see them all right there. There you go. And then we have 2 sets. I don't know if they're photo cards or playing cards or what they are, but they're there. Okay. Oh, it's a little stuck to each other. Okay. But there you go. There you go. That's that one. Now for these. Very nice. There you go. And they all have this stuff in the back. Oh, apparently there's this thing that came with it. Oh, you can see the thing. Yeah, so you can see the thing. Oh, I see. And so you can see the thing that they think. But yeah, that is the Mysterious Mansion. Seeing how everything was all hickledy-pickled, I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so this is the Dreamcatcher Special Edition Dreamcatcher Mind. So there we go. Here's the back. Alright, so it's gonna go ahead and open it. And this kinda seems to be going in. So we're gonna have to be careful about that. Now, there were some photo cards that popped up outside everything, and I'll show that off here in a second. After everything, of course, all after opening this. All right, I'm gonna have to do this myself. Okay, there we go. Boom. Like I said, this for some reason is kind of bent, if you can kind of tell. So that was unfortunate. But this is everything that's inside. So we're just going to go ahead and... whoa. Alright, so this is a little funky. As you can kind of see right there. It's a Dreamcatcher Mind Collect book. It's kind of shiny. It's kind of poofy. Okay, so you can see right there. And apparently they're kind of like card holders. Ooh, these ones are stiff. Well, these are all bent. Interesting. I don't know if they're safe. I don't know if they're safe to use without damaging cards. So use that at your own discretion if you happen to have it. So we have this, which are stickers. You can kind of see it's all shiny. But yeah, you can see right there, they're all stickers. I'm not going to open these because honestly, don't think I'm ever going to use them. Maybe, maybe not. As of right now, I don't think so. Oh, geez, everything is just out of order. But we got the... I think this is Yukion. Oh, no, this is Handong, my bad. Yeah, Handong. Yeah. Handong. Yeah, Handong. But so yeah, we got Handong. You do get only one of them per box. So yeah, we have this book thing. Not really. Oh, making photo book. Just gonna make a quick deal right there. Very cool. Because this video is very long enough as it is. Oh, it's for the DC Mind, the actual DC Mind. Oh, I get it now. But yeah, then we have this, which are, I'm guessing these are the playing cards. I know there were supposed to be playing cards in here somewhere. It's like the memory, I think it is. Alright, that's a lot of cards. But there you go. Or maybe it's not memory, it's fuck, I forgot what he called them. But they're like playing cards. That's a lot of them, so I'm just gonna quickly go through, skip some of these, I guess. But yeah, there, you got a small glimpse of the playing cards. Okay, put this back here. You know what, I'll mess with this later. I'm going to show these cards that were right there. As you can see, it's kind of a bunch of them. It's a good hefty amount. Luckily they all seem to be in sleeves. So, oh, there seems to be a few duplicates. I'm gonna move this down. Alright, we have Geo. Two of those. That's another. That's another. That's another. Ooh, that's another. That's another. That's a different one. That's a different one. Oof. I am not gonna get all of them apparently. Oh, I did get. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did get every member. Just not a lot of every member. Let's see if I can move these in a way that they'll fit. There you go. Those are the cards that I pulled apparently. So 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. I think I bought more albums than that, but I guess not. Interesting. But there you go. I guess that's the cards that I got. So yeah, I think that's everything. They're all holographic, as you can plainly see right there. But yeah, I think that's everything. Oh, that is not everything, actually. Oh no, it is everything. There's just a bunch of posters. Like a bunch of posters. Like a bunch of posters. But anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much everything that came in everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did get your very own set of the Dreamcatcher Mind or the Mysterious Mansion photo books, I hope you got everything that you wanted out of them. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.